Instead of the tedious task of cleaning up Excel data every morning, you can use the SCLAB AI agent to automatically generate your KPI report and send it by email in just a few clicks. First, navigate to the data editor, create a new data group, and open its editor. From the menu, click CSV to open a file chooser dialog on your computer. Select your CSV file, and a hexagon-shaped data node will appear. Beyond CSV, you can connect to a wide variety of data sources: database, API, IoT stream, and more. Select SCLAB GPT, give it a name, choose a model, set the data size and creativity level, then save. You'll see your SCLAB GPT instance appear. From the top menu, select AI Agent, click to add a new agent, enter its name, choose the data connection you just created, and open the Agent Editor. Drag the date trigger block from the menu onto the canvas, then click its Editor button. Configure the repetition, set the start and end dates and times, give it a name, and click OK. Create an import data block, link it to the date trigger, open its editor, choose the CSV customer KPI file, run it, and verify that the data loads. Add an LLM block and connect it to the import data block. Open the LLM editor and run it. Your input data will appear. Select All, then type your prompt into the central input field. To generate a detailed KPI report, craft a thorough prompt that leverages your data. Because LLM inference can take a few minutes, we'll skip ahead in this demo video. When you return to the LLM block, its output pane will display the KPI report. Next, let's configure the agent to email it to you. Add a file block, connect it to the LLM block, open its editor, choose HTML as the file type, and click OK. Add a variable block, connect it to the file block, open its editor, and run it. Again, we'll skip ahead to save time. In the variable block editor, you'll need to select a variable. Because none exist yet, let's create one first. Click Variables in the bottom right, add a new variable called URL, then reopen the LLM block editor. Select Input, choose your new URL variable in the middle pane, and click OK. Add an email block, connect it to the variable block, open its editor, enter the recipient's email and a subject line. Paste your email body, insert the report URL variable, and click OK. Select the email block, then click Test in the bottom right to send a preview. You'll receive an email with the KPI report link. Click the URL to view the report page. Because each LLM run can slightly alter the layout, if you prefer a fixed design, check out our automated billing email tutorial on YouTube for a stable template.